Okay.
Careful your head, man.
Okay. What's your name? We walk in to the main street so we can catch a taxi downtown to Cebu City. We're gonna go to Ayala Mall. Good morning. And meet my Uncle Jesse there. See what things are going on. Ate, you have something to say?
We will go to city.
Yes.
We were walking and there until the highway. We take a ride at taxi.
It's gonna take probably like 10 minutes to get to the main road. We're leaving the hotel, so we have to walk. Hi. Hello, Ma. Where's Marina? What is there?
50 though. 50. We got
Jace naman.
only 20.
Yeah, no. Thank you.
Right now we're at the Metro Market, and my Aunt Leah got some shoes. My dad some liquor that he wanted around for the past 2 days, and I haven't seen it anywhere. So this is what my mom wants. So they have the wine or the liquor my dad was asking for. Oh yeah, that's what he wants. That's what he wants. So we're laughing because he said at the hotel is 180 pesos. This one is 35 pesos. So he's gonna put this back in the hotel to replace it. So that way they don't take our deposit away.
So you don't got the timer on this car. 1.8. 1.8.
Yeah. We're now traveling, going to Temple of Leah.
Jennifer, happy birthday today.
Thank you.
And we have many more birthdays to come.
Yeah! It's my 30th birthday and I'm here with my family in the Philippines, and we're just chilling, waiting for the food. We're gonna go. They're not gonna bite me. No. Okay. Uy! Okay. We're going to the beach. Yeah. No, we're getting ready now.
Oh. Waka.
Oh, you're here? We got chicken here.
Rice cake. Salamat. Busog na ko. Salamat po.
One, two.
What's up? You know, we're rocket right here.
You and your big one, two.
Good morning. Give you a room tour. So, of course, when you first come in, you have the bathroom, a little bar, like a California colossal king. Oh, nice. Then we have a little lounge chair, TV, and then bam, it's this view here. Guava. The sign. Let me try.
Nice architecture.
Easy cheating.
Got to sit on down there.
Because you did that.
Yeah, black bar sit. So when you sit up.
Morning, maayong buntag.